Sawadee krab, welcome to the Boxing Kingdom. I'm your host Boxer J, and we will unbox all the tech gadgets for you. So now, let's cue to the intro. So now, let's look what we have to unbox today. So this is the Huawei Y9s. So today we will be unboxing the Huawei Y9s. So first, let's look into the box. So as usual, opening up the box, we have the back silicone transparent cover, the SIM tube, the phone, and also charging adapter and the USB-C cable. So, box katapi. Now, let's look into the phone. First off, let's look into the design of the phone. The one that I'm having here is the crystal breeding blue, which has a two-tone color, which you can see there's the purplish blue on the bottom and the faded blue on the top. And on the front, it's a 6.59-inch full-view notchless display. Aside from that, it comes with a triple camera setup with a 64-megapixel main camera sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and also 2-megapixel depth sensor. And don't you think there's something missing, which is the front selfie camera? Where is it? The front selfie camera is here. So the Huawei Y9s has a pop-up selfie camera setup, which is a 16-megapixel pop-up selfie camera. Now let's look into the picture quality. So now, let's talk about the chipset of the Huawei Y9s. The Huawei Y9s is equipped with a Kirin 710F chipset, which comes with a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. And if you're not satisfied with the storage, you still can upgrade your storage with the hybrid SIM slot up to 512GB. Other than that, it also comes with a 4000 mAh battery that can last you a whole day when you're having a power usage on it. And also, it supports up to 10W fast charge technology. So I think that's all for today.
Hey boy, tunggu lah boy.
Let's see what's the challenge today. So, the Huawei Y9s has a side power fingerprint button which
can unlock the screen pretty fast. So today's challenge is for you to challenge the Huawei Y9s fingerprint scanner unlock speed with you opening up the bottom. Okay.
Let's see who will win the speed test. Okay, director, let's go. Yo, welcome back. So today's challenge is to challenge the fingerprint scanner speed to unlock the screen and me opening up this bottle. So see who's the fastest, okay? In 3, 2, 1. So, the winner here is very clear. The winner is the Huawei Y9s. So I think that's all for today. I'm Boxer J, and see you next time.